Hey, this is Laura with WTI. Let's check out this bear stare down game from Boss Dog Games. The setup of this game is super easy. So you have forest cards, and then the brown deck is your playing cards. So once you start passing them out, and each player gets 2 forest cards and 5 playing cards, and each card has a different action. You pick one up each on the start of your turn, and the object of the game is to get 8 pass, and then you win. But that isn't so easy. You have action cards, and your friends can make you flip the cards in your forest, and if you get a bear, then you lose a turn. Thank goodness I didn't have one on this turn, so I was safe. Your friends can also stop you from your path, and you will have to play different action cards in order to release it. You can also make your friends shuffle their cards in their forest, because if you put a bear down in their forest, then they'll know where it is, but if you shuffle them, then they'll get confused. Overall, a great game. My friends and I had such a fun time playing this game. I know that your family will love it for a family game night, and that's my point of view.